To fix the Google Drive webpage not available error, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable and working network. Try opening other websites to see if the issue is specific to Google Drive or if it is a general internet problem. If your internet connection is working fine, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. This can help resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted browser data. You can usually do this by pressing the Ctrl-Shift-Delete keys on your keyboard and following the prompts to clear your browsing data. Next, check if the issue is specific to your browser by trying to access Google Drive in a different browser. If Google Drive works in one browser but not another, the problem may be with the browser itself. Try updating your browser to the latest version or switching to a different browser altogether. Another possible cause of the error is a problem with your account or Google Drive settings. Try signing out of your Google account and then signing back in. This can sometimes resolve issues caused by authentication or account settings. You can also try checking the Google Drive status page to see if there are any known issues or outages. If Google Drive is experiencing technical difficulties, you may need to wait until the issue is resolved before you can access the web page. Additionally, check your firewall or antivirus software settings to ensure that they are not blocking access to Google Drive. Some security software may flag Google Drive as a potentially unsafe website, so you may need to add an exception or whitelist the website. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, try resetting your browser settings to their default values or seeking help from Google support. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Google Drive webpage not available error and access your files and documents again. Remember to always keep your browser and operating system up to date to minimize the risk of errors and ensure a smooth user experience.